Spot 3, Ibanez. Spot 4, the legend since 1937. Spot 5, amazing second-hand shop. Spot 6, looking for boutique pedals?
Alright, so here, now we're at Ishibashi Music. Ishibashi Music is one of the biggest music stores in Japan. They have about 28 shops in Tokyo and 3 in Osaka. So if you go to like a big city like Shibuya or Shinjuku, Ikebukuro, I think, yeah, you'll be able to find Ishibashi because they're like everywhere in Tokyo. So let's check it out here. This is a tour of Ishibashi in Ochanomizu. Alright, let's go to the second floor. Wow, they've got like hanging guitars on the stairs. Ooh, look at that. Like there's just like literally no space. Whoa, oh my god, look at that. Alright, let's go and check it out. Let's go in. What is this? This looks like a wall of Ibanez. Wall of Ibanez in 2 layers, just like front and back. So you wanna pick that one in the back. You tell the staff, hey, I need to get rid of the one in the front, get rid of the one inside, and then get rid of the one. Take the one in the back. Hey, Steve Vai model. This is a new Pia. Oh wow, it's a nice guitar. Look at that. That's such a beautiful guitar. And next to it is Nuno Bettencourt N4 Washburn. Nice. Look at that. And all of these high-end guitars. Alright. So let's go to the next shop. This is Shimokura Gaki. Alright. Shimokura Gaki is also one of the oldest music store, I think in Japan. Yeah. So this Shimokura instrument store has like a history of 81 years. Wow, 81 years. That's pretty long. Alright, so the first floor is the guitars. Yeah, you'll see like a collection for beginners to, and you can find some high-end guitars too in the basement. This Shimokura is really interesting. The staff here, they all wear a uniform, so you'll be able to know like who's the staff or not. In other instrument shops like ESP, some staff they look like a hard rock bandman, so it's kind of hard to tell if they're a staff or not. So so this is a Shimokura second. It's just across the street. It's all second-hand guitars. And they've got like all kinds of guitars in here. It's just amazing and it's fun to check out this place because sometimes you can find a really rare guitar. Look at that. Seems like they are maintaining a second-hand guitar here. So imagine these staff here are amazing because they're like maintaining all the second-hand used guitars and selling it. So I kind of think that they can maintain any guitar. They're just so well skilled and well trained, and they're so good. And look at the guitars here. You can find it's like a treasure hunting. It's really fun to look and find something that you've never seen. You know, it's like, wow, I've never seen this kind of guitar. It's cool. You know, so it's definitely a place to stop by. Make sure you don't miss it, because it's just a fun place to check out. I really love checking out secondhand guitars, because you know it does have this kind of a feeling of the history of the guitar, you know. Oh wow, look at that cracks. Oh, I love vintage guitars, Les Pauls that has cracks. It just looks so cool. Is this like, I don't know, is this like some people, yeah, sometimes you want to go and buy a nice brand new jeans, but you kind of feel good, and you know, you love your kind of old used, you know, jeans, you know, that has a hole. You know, that's kind of how I feel about coming and checking out the secondhand guitar shop. It's just so fun, because you know, it's just, it's cool. All right, this is another ESP, so it's called ESP Guitar Workshop. So this is the cool thing about this place. The collection of boutique pedals is just amazing. You will see a lot of rare guitar pedals here. What you didn't see at other shops, especially at the ESP Big Boss, the first place we've seen. So definitely, if you are a pedal effect guy, you know, you definitely might want to come and check out this place. Look at that. All right, so let's check out the second floor. So second floor is high-end guitars plus ESP original guitars. Nice. It just looks like an art gallery, don't you think so? It's just amazing. Look at that. That is George Lynch model. Beautiful. Wow. Kamikaze. Look at that artwork. That's like, it's like a piece of art. Wow. All right, so the shop itself is not that big. It's pretty compact, but yeah, there's like all kinds of nice guitars here. So definitely, if you are a big fan of ESP, definitely you gotta stop by here and check out their guitars, because this is ESP. Oh, look at that! Look at that paintwork! Wow, that's amazing. It looks like the universe. All right. So, nice guitars. Schecter. What's that? All right, let's go check out the next floor, the third floor. Third floor is all about parts. All right, so if you're looking for something and you couldn't find that Big Boss, maybe you'll be able to find it here, because it's like the whole floor is all about guitar parts. There's also a guitar repair shop, and you can see there's already a staff repairing a bass. People in ESP are so friendly. They're like totally friendly, nice people. They're okay filming videos if you ask them first, and they're really cool.